So Timberneck house behind me was built, we think, in the 1790s. The original portion is on the left. It was 2-story, 3-bay house with in chimneys, which were now enclosed when they put this 1850s wing on that you see on the right. And then on the back side, in the 1930s, they added a kitchen. So it's had 3 periods of renovation or addition, all done by the Catlett family. So the Catletts bought the property in the 1790s from the Pages, who had this land as part of Rosewell Plantation, so a massive 3,000-acre property. And this was one of the necks of land that was part of that plantation. And the Catlett family owned it from the 1790s all the way up until the early 2000s. So it really is a testament to their family, and also the enslaved Africans and other folks who would have labored on this property, probably building, the house that you see behind me. So our goal is to kind of honor that history and restore the structure to its original glory. We also have an early smokehouse in the back and a couple other historic features like cemeteries that we're trying to preserve and maintain and allow the public to be able to see and utilize as an educational tool. But the house is sitting on this nice, beautiful spot on a hill above the York River. It's a wonderful landscape that we're able to preserve along with Machicomico State Park, which is all this surrounding property. And we have an agreement with the park to manage this property long-term for the public's benefit.
For more information about the Fairfield Foundation, visit our website, www.fairfieldfoundation.org.